The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee will surprise you. And today, I'll show you why seniors should start using it immediately. Coffee isn't just a morning habit for millions of older adults. It may actually be stealing strength or rebuilding it faster than expensive supplements. After 60, your body loses up to 8% of muscle every decade. And this silent decline raises the risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. But here's the truth that most people never hear. Your coffee can become medicine when paired with the right natural ingredients. Hidden studies show these additions/inflammation and protect arteries, while also melting belly fat and rebuilding muscle. Big companies don't talk about this because there's no billion-dollar profit in natural ingredients. Today, you'll discover 8 proven additions you can stir into coffee each morning, ranked from number 8 to number 1. Make sure you stay until the end because ingredient number 4 improved mobility by over 40% in seniors in one study. Number 8 is cinnamon, a spice people usually use for desserts but transforms completely when mixed into coffee. In coffee, it becomes a muscle-protecting weapon that stabilizes blood sugar and boosts circulation. Blood sugar stability is critical for seniors because unstable glucose silently drains muscles of energy. Take John, 68, who always felt weak on the stairs and tired after lunch. His wife convinced him to try cinnamon in his coffee, though he was skeptical and thought it was silly. Within weeks, his blood sugar dropped by nearly 20 points and his legs felt lighter. Science confirms this because swings in blood sugar trigger insulin spikes that weaken nutrient delivery to muscles. Cinnamon smooths those spikes, giving muscles steady fuel all day. Just half a teaspoon of silent true cinnamon is enough, and it avoids the high coumarin levels found in regular varieties. Cinnamon adds flavor without calories, making it a simple upgrade for better strength. Number 7 is cocoa powder. The same ingredient used in hot chocolate, but extremely powerful when unsweetened. Cocoa is loaded with flavonols that improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and support recovery. Seniors rely heavily on good circulation because weaker blood flow starves muscles of oxygen. Evelyn, 72, added cocoa to her coffee after her grandson suggested it and was shocked by the difference. Her morning walks felt easier within weeks, and even her blood pressure improved at her next checkup. Cocoa combined with coffee creates a one-two punch of energy and blood flow support. Studies show cocoa improves endothelial function, which helps vessels relax and push more oxygen to your muscles. Just 1 teaspoon of natural, unsweetened cocoa is enough. Number 6 is coconut oil or MCT oil, a long-used energy booster in many Asian cultures. Unlike regular fats, MCTs convert quickly into ketones, providing clean fuel for body and brain. Seniors often struggle with energy because cells become less efficient at using glucose. Ketones bypass that problem and deliver stable energy without crashes. Harold Skinine always felt shaky by late morning and craved sugary snacks, but MCT oil changed everything. 1 teaspoon kept his energy steady until lunch and even helped him lose 7 pounds in 2 months. Start small when adding MCT oil because your stomach needs time to adjust. Blend it into coffee for a creamy texture that fuels your muscles all day. MCT oil shows that muscles aren't powered by sugar alone, because the right fats can keep you strong after 60. Consistency is key, not perfection. Number 5 is milk or soy milk, which most people ignore as a muscle-protecting trick. Milk contains complete protein with leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle building. Soy milk offers plant-based protein plus bone-protective ice. Seniors who struggle with protein intake benefit tremendously from even small additions. Dolores, 72, drank a coffee black for decades until her daughter, a nurse, recommended soy milk. Within months, she carried groceries easier and even saw improved bone density. Half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, helping stop overnight muscle loss. Choose lactose-free or fortified soy milk if needed. Number 4 is collagen powder, often marketed for skin but crucial for seniors' joints and muscles. After 60, your collagen production drops each year, leading to stiff joints and weak tendons. Robert, 70s, loved gardening but hated the soreness afterward until his neighbor suggested collagen. 2 months later, he knelt in the garden without pain. Collagen provides amino acids like glycine and proline that rebuild joint tissue. Coffee helps circulate these nutrients faster, making the combo especially effective. 1 scoop dissolves smoothly into hot coffee with no taste, making it one of the easiest additions. A 2022 senior study showed collagen users had less pain, more flexibility, and better mobility. Collagen teaches an important lesson. Rebuilding strength isn't only about gym exercises, it's about replenishing what aging takes away. Number 3 is whey protein powder, a complete muscle-building powerhouse. Most seniors face anabolic resistance, meaning they need more protein to trigger growth. Whey is rich in leucine, the on-switch for muscle building. Without leucine, your body can't repair or strengthen muscle fibers effectively. A major clinical trial showed seniors using whey gained 38% more lean muscle than those who didn't tea. Another found improvements in strength, balance, and walking speed. Helen, 67, didn't want bodybuilder powder in her coffee, but she tried whey isolate anyway. Within weeks, her arms felt firmer and her stamina improved. Use unflavored whey isolate for best results because it mixes smoothly. Whey turns your daily coffee into a muscle rebuilding drink. Whey protein proves muscle loss isn't just aging, it's nutrition. With the right fuel, your body can still grow stronger. Number 2 is chia seeds, tiny nutritional powerhouses. Most seniors eat half the fiber and omega-3 salts they need. Ground chia seeds fix digestion, inflammation, and energy all at once. Their omega-3 salts reduce joint pain and protect muscles. George, 70, joked chia was bird food until he tried it in his coffee. Weeks later, his digestion improved and his belly shrank. Grind chia seeds because whole seeds often pass without absorption. 1 to 2 teaspoons create a creamy, nutrient-rich drink. Chia seeds protect muscles with protein and protect memory with omega-3 salts. They're small but incredibly powerful for seniors. And now, number 1, turmeric with black pepper, the golden duo. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatory compounds on earth. Inflammation steals strength and mobility as we age. Curcumin fights inflammation at the root, but curcumin absorbs poorly on its own. Black pepper increases absorption by up to 2,000%. Satoshi, 73, quit gardening due to knee pain until he tried turmeric with pepper. Within weeks, he was moving like a younger man. Half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of pepper is all you need. Coffee's heat activates the curcumin even more. Turmeric improves joints, muscles, arteries, and even brain health. It's one of the most powerful natural medicines for seniors. Add cinnamon or honey if the flavor feels strong. Consistency gives the best results. These 8 additions transform ordinary coffee into strength-building medicine. Each one offers a unique benefit that seniors desperately need. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and protects muscle energy. Cocoa boosts circulation to deliver oxygen to your muscles. MCT oil provides steady fuel for body and brain without crashes. Milk or soy milk adds essential protein for muscle repair. Collagen strengthens joints and connective tissues that weaken with age. Whey protein flips on muscle growth and boosts recovery. Chia seeds fight inflammation and keep digestion smooth. Turmeric with black pepper reduces pain and supports long-term mobility. These are line 1 to 50. Number 9 is ginger powder, one of the oldest medicinal spices on earth. Ginger reduces stiffness, improves digestion, and boosts circulation within minutes. Most seniors underestimate the role digestion plays in energy and muscle strength. Poor digestion limits nutrient absorption, which starves the muscles of what they need. Martha, 74, added just a quarter teaspoon of ginger to her morning coffee. Within days, her bloating faded, and her morning joint stiffness nearly disappeared. Ginger contains gingerols compounds proven to lower inflammation and support mobility. A tiny amount in coffee warms the body and improves blood flow to working muscles. Start with 1/8 teaspoon and increase slowly if needed. Ginger blends especially well with cinnamon or cocoa for extra benefits. Number 8 is beetroot powder, one of the most underrated muscle oxygen boosters. Beets increase nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and improves stamina. Seniors often have lower nitric oxide levels, making daily activities feel harder. That's why even climbing stairs can feel like a workout after 60, Richard. 71 tried beetroot powder because he wanted more energy for his walks. Within 2 weeks, he was walking farther without feeling out of breath. Studies show beetroot can improve cardiovascular efficiency by over 15%. 1 teaspoon in coffee daily enhances blood flow to the heart and legs. The natural sweetness of beetroot powder balances bitter coffee perfectly. It's also rich in antioxidants that protect aging muscles from damage. Number 7 is maca root powder, famous for balancing hormones and restoring vitality. Aging causes natural hormone decline that affects mood, strength, and metabolism. Maca supports energy levels without overstimulating like caffeine. It provides B vitamins and minerals that aging bodies often lack. Lillian, 68, added maca to her coffee because she always felt mentally foggy. A month later, she reported fewer mood swings and more steady energy. Maca also supports muscle performance by improving glucose uptake. Its nutty flavor blends smoothly into hot coffee with no bitterness. Just a half teaspoon each morning is enough for most seniors. Start slow and adjust as your body responds. Number 6 is cardamom, the aromatic spice used for digestion and heart health. Cardamom reduces gas, bloating, and pressure, major issues as we age. It also contains antioxidants that protect the heart and arteries. Many traditional cultures use cardamom coffee for longevity. Omar, 70, added a pinch each morning and noticed lighter digestion immediately. By week 3, he felt less discomfort after meals and more mental clarity. Cardamom's natural compounds support smooth muscle function in the gut. This reduces strain on the digestive system and boosts energy levels. A small pinch crushed fresh gives the best results, combined with cinnamon for a powerful anti-inflammatory blend. Number 5 is ground flaxseed, a fiber-rich tool for seniors' heart and muscle health. Flax provides omega-3 south, lignans and soluble fiber that improve aging metabolism. Many seniors struggle with constipation and sluggish digestion. Flax gently fixes both without harsh laxatives. Sandra, 73, added a teaspoon of flax to her morning coffee. In 2 weeks, her digestion improved and her cholesterol dropped noticeably. Flaxseed keeps blood sugar stable, protecting muscle energy. Its omega-3 south also support joint comfort and brain function. Always use ground flaxseed, not whole, for absorption. Add 1 teaspoon to coffee or blend for a smoother texture. Number 4 is matcha powder, a nutrient-dense green tea in concentrated form. Matcha offers calm focus, smooth energy, and powerful energy. Caffeine crashes are common in older adults because of slower metabolism. Matcha prevents those crashes by releasing energy gradually. Daniel, 65, mixed matcha into his morning coffee for a green latte. He said it gave him calm energy without anxiety or jitters. Matcha contains L-theanine, which improves brain function and memory. It also supports metabolism and fat burning in seniors. Start with half a teaspoon to avoid bitterness. Matcha combined with coffee creates sustained, balanced energy. Number 3 is oat fiber, an overlooked tool for blood sugar and cholesterol control. Oat fiber contains beta-glucans, which naturally lower LDL cholesterol. Stable cholesterol protects seniors from heart attacks and strokes. Oat fiber also reduces inflammation that contributes to muscle pain. Nora, 69, added 1 spoon to her coffee daily. Within a month, her cholesterol dropped, and she felt lighter and more energetic. Oat fiber thickens coffee slightly, creating a smooth texture. It's tasteless, low-calorie, and ideal for morning use. 1 teaspoon per cup is enough for noticeable benefits. It pairs well with cinnamon or cocoa. Number 2 is black seed powder, collagen, known as the seed that cures everything. Black seed has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and immunomystin effects. Aging weakens immunity, slows metabolism, and increases joint pain. Black seed helps counteract all 3 naturally. Hamid, 72, added a small pinch to his coffee every morning. In a month, his knee pain reduced and his morning energy improved. Black seed supports lung health, joint function, and metabolic strength. Its thymoquinone content acts like a natural antioxidant shield. Use only a small pinch because the flavor is strong. Blend thoroughly for best texture. And number 1 is ashwagandha powder, the king of stress and strength support. Stress destroys muscle, weakens immunity, and accelerates aging. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that steals strength. This helps seniors regain energy, mood, and muscular resilience. Harper, 67, took ashwagandha in her evening coffee alternative. Within weeks, she slept better and felt stronger during the day. Ashwagandha supports muscle recovery and mental clarity. It's one of the most research-backed herbs for senior health. Start with 1/4 teaspoon to test your body's response. Consistency produces the best long-term results.